What if you could plan, launch, and optimize your entire marketing strategy, with AI doing 80% of the work for you? In this video, I'll show you how to use AI to build a complete marketing strategy that helps you make smarter decisions, scale faster, and save hours every week. Building a great marketing strategy used to take weeks of research, testing, and meetings. Now, AI can help you create that same strategy in a single afternoon. Data-driven, dynamic, and optimized for your audience. The secret isn't just using AI tools randomly, it's knowing how to connect them, so your research, content, ads, and analytics all work together seamlessly. Let's walk through how to build a complete AI-powered marketing strategy, step by step. Step 1. Research your audience with AI. Every strategy starts with understanding your audience, and AI can do this faster than any marketing team. Use tools like ChatGPT, SparkToro, and BrandWatch AI to analyze demographics, interests, and behaviors. Ask ChatGPT. Create an audience persona for a 30-year-old entrepreneur interested in AI productivity tools. You'll get insights into motivation, pain points, and buying triggers instantly. Step 2. Set smart goals with predictive data. Instead of guessing what might work, AI helps you define realistic data-backed goals. Tools like HubSpot AI, Pecan AI, and Google Analytics 4 predict campaign performance based on your past data. Want to double conversions? AI can show you what to change before you even launch the campaign. This transforms your strategy from reactive to proactive. Step 3. Generate and plan content with AI. Once you know your goals and audience, it's time to create the content. Tools like Jasper, Copy.ai, and Notion AI help you generate ad copy, blog posts, or video scripts in minutes. Use Phrase or Surfer SEO to build keyword-rich outlines that rank on Google. Then organize everything in ClickUp AI or Trello plus ChatGPT for easy planning. Your entire content pipeline can now run on autopilot. Step 4. Automate campaigns and ads. Tools like AdCreative.ai, Smartly.io, and Google Ads. Smart bidding automatically design visuals, choose the best copy, and optimize your targeting. You can even feed AI your top-performing posts, and it'll recreate variations tailored for Facebook, Instagram, and LinkedIn. The result? Better reach, less ad spend, and more conversions, without manual tweaks. Step 5. Measure and refine using AI analytics. No strategy is complete without feedback. Tools like Crimson Hexagon, Sprout Social AI, and Tableau GPT track performance and audience sentiment across channels. They can automatically tell you why a campaign worked or failed, and what to fix next time. It's like having a marketing strategist on call 24/7, powered by your own data. AI doesn't replace marketers. It multiplies what we can do. It turns data into decisions, ideas into campaigns, and effort into results. Start by connecting just 3 parts of your marketing workflow: research, content creation, and analytics, with AI tools. Once you see how seamlessly they work together, you'll never go back to doing it manually. The future of marketing isn't just creative, it's intelligent. And with AI, that future is already here.